Hello everyone! I'm Maria Heller and I own a tiny business making gothic and fantasy clothing for women. In today's video, I'm going to show you some casual clothing I made for myself, like this cute linen top and skirt. I created the pattern for the blouse and I've used it on all the following blouses with slight alterations. As you can see, this top has a bit of lace going around the neckline and it has this pale pink color. I dyed this top with beads and it was my first natural dye experiment, which is why the color is so uneven, but I still like it and wear it. This next top gathers at the waist with a drawstring and it's a bit fancier since it has sheer sleeves. It has lace around the neckline but also across the chest. The black skirt is made of half a circle with a zipper at the back and a simple waistband that closes with a button. The skirt also has pockets. I didn't use a pattern for this skirt either, since it's just half a circle and I can draw that directly on the fabric using the measuring tape as a compass. In my day-to-day life, I tend to want to dress like a granny or a Ghibli girl. I value comfort in clothing most of all, and I hate heat. So all these summer blouses are made of white linen. They all have long sleeves because that's just what I prefer for summer. I find it way cooler if I hide most of my skin from direct sun. This is another top with drawstring at the waist, but this time the sleeves are made of the same fabric as the rest of the top. The red skirt is made out of a rectangle, gathered at the waist. The waistband is fixed in front and has elastic going through it at the back. I made the skirt without any pattern since it's just a rectangle. It also has pockets. And the third top with the drawstring at the waist, this time the string goes through a belt of lace that I tried to dye with tea and it came out way too dark. But I don't mind, I still wear it. This video was filmed exactly a year ago, in the first lockdown in my country. We weren't getting any orders at the time, obviously, so I decided to take the time to make some clothing for myself and my girlfriend for a change. You know the saying, the cobbler always goes barefoot? That's kind of true for me. I'm always busy working on commissions and orders. I rarely take the time to make clothing for myself. Of course, you can't wear a circle skirt without twirling in it. All these clothes fit my girlfriend as well. She's a bit shorter and curvier than me, but just by a smidge. Another very simple top. This one is loose, like the first pink one, with no gathering at the waist. I really like this red dress. The top of the dress is exactly like the blouses. I used the same pattern to make it, but instead of adding a peplum under the waistband, I added a skirt. The skirt is made of a rectangle, so it's really simple, just gathered at the waist. I like that it's so adjustable. Both me and my girlfriend can wear it, and we're going to get very much use out of it. It also has pockets. My girlfriend and I own a tiny business with no employees. We're the only workers and we work from home. Even though our business is focused on gothic and fantasy style clothing, we wanted some simple, casual clothing for ourselves to wear on walks and grocery shopping. The last top is different. It was inspired by a video of Kat's costumery of her making an Edwardian blouse. Mine is more simple, with less lace inserts and no hand sewing involved. I used the same pattern that I made, like all the previous tops in this video, but left space for the lace inserts. I really like how it turned out, but I'll definitely not get as much wear out of this as the simple tops I made. As you can see, all these tops are either loose or tightened at the waist with a drawstring. This makes them adjustable and durable, as they're going to last through weight fluctuations, and we're basically going to be able to wear them for years and years. Also, these clothes shown here in this video are not the only ones I made for myself since the beginning of the pandemic. So let me know in the comments if you want to see the rest of them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye!
Mitan! Nu ți-a tras fermoarul! It's way too ridiculous. I'm not even pausing. Fă-ți fermoarul. Continuă.